Good evening. This chapter is sixth chapter, and this is pertaining to Kadambari Banbhat. The chapter name is Anuragodaya. Firstly, we will see the preface of this chapter. Pithika. Srabyam Drishyam Cheti Kavyam Dvidha Vibhaktam means Anuragodaya. About this lesson, we are discussing here that there are two types of Kavya. Shravyam Drishyam cha means Shravya means that's audible, and Drishyam means which is visible. Two types of means the Kavya also have two types. Means one that which we can listen, we can pronounce that, and we can also enjoy of that. And Shravya is that, and Drishya is that drama, like drama. When until we will not dramatize that on the any stage, we can't be able to entertain ourselves. So there are two types of Kavya, Shravya and Drishya, visible and audible. Shravya Kavyam Punah Dvidha Vibhaktam means Shravya Kavya means what is pronounceable also, okay, audible also. That's also differentiated in two types, like Padya Kavya and Gadya Kavya means prose and poetry, okay. गद्य साम्राज्य सार्वभौम इति प्रख्यातेन महाकवि बाणभट्टेन हर्षचरितं कादम्बरी इति द्वे काव्ये रचिते मीन्स देयर इज द एम्पायर ऑफ द प्रोज वर्ल्ड गद्य साम्राज्य द एम्पायर ऑफ द प्रोज and the emperor of that empire is called Mahakavi Banbhatta. He composed two books, very epic books, they are legend books, that's called Harshcharitam and Kadambari. Two kavya he created, he worked. अस्य कालः क्रिश्चशताब्दी सप्तमशतकस्य आदिभागः इति निर्धारितः मीन्स ख्रीष्टाब्दी मीन्स Christ, CHRIST in English. Christ means Isha, okay. So asya kala, this time, the time of the Banbhatta, it is estimated that saptam shatakasya adi bhaga, the initial part adi bhaga means the first half of 7th century, it's ensured, okay. Ayam paఠ्यभागः कादम्बर्या महाश्वेता वृत्तान्त इति कथाभागः संगृहीतः. This natak, this kathabhag, this story has also extracted from Kadambari Mahashweta Vrittanta, the story of the Mahashweta. It's extracted from that place. It's Kadambari, from Kadambari. Atra Pundarik Mahashwetoh Prathamanuraga Manohar Shalya Nirupita. Here we will read about the first love between Pundarik and Mahashweta. Pundarik was also a son of Apsara, and Mahashweta was also a very beautiful girl. Both have firstly how they fell in love. This is lucidly described here. We will read about this. Okay. Purva Katha. Firstly, we have to read, we have to understand the pre-story. Until we will not understand that, this extraction will not be understandable for us. So, Purva Katha. What's the Purva Katha? उज्जैनी देशस्य राजा तारापीड स्वपुत्रं चंद्रापीडं यौवराज्ये नियोजितवान्. There was also a place named Ujjain. You know also, this is in the north side. Ujjain is very famous. Ujjain Deshasya, Mahakal is also there. So Ujjaini Desasya Raja, the king of the Ujjaini Desha, his name was Tarapid. When he also enthroned his son Chandrapid on the, he enthroned him. Means he himself removed, and his son, his successor also enthroned on his kingdom. Tad Anuchandrapidha Senabalai Digvijay Yatram Prasthitvan. Then his son also departed for doing the Digvijay. Digvijay, what is the Digvijay? Digvijay means any person who wants to be a Chakravarti, he must have to defeat all the kings around of his own other directions, means east, west, north, south. Like Chakra means wheel. All over the directions, if he will defeat all the kings, then he will be Chakravarti. So he also departed for victory. Okay, Digvijay Yatra. Kramena Sanchirata Anena Kailasa Parvata Pradesha Prapta. Again, after going and going, he also got Kailash Parvata. Okay, in the north you also listened. Himalaya, a special part of Himalaya is called Kailash, where also Shiva exists. Tatra Shiva exists everywhere, but especially by the embodiment he also lives there. Like air is also exist everywhere, but in the balloon exist especially. तत्र एकस्मिन् प्रदेशे अच्छोदसर वीक्ष्य तस्य दक्षिणे तीरे एकं प्राचीन शिवालयं प्राप्तवान्. There was a very beautiful and very nice ancient Achhodasara, means the pond named Achhoda. After looking that very nice pond, he went there. Okay. Thus Dakshine Tire, on the bank of the southern part of that pond, there was a very ancient Shiv temple he got. Tatra Shweta Vastradharanim Dhritaniyamam Kamapi Kanyakam Apashyat. There he saw a very beautiful girl who dressed up with white dress. Okay, but he was also in Dhritaniyama, means in the auspicious way she was living there. Kamapi Kanyakam Apashyam. See, he saw a girl. उपजात कुतूहल सतां प्रणिपत्त ईदृशस्य तपोनियमस्य कारणम् अपृच्छत्. उपजात कुतूहल, when he was also full of curiosity, he also greeted her and he asked that what's the reason behind this your rules, regulations, you are also regulating yourself in this tapasya, niyama, etc. What's the reason behind it? You are alone here, lonely, you are doing your tapasya. Why? Tada saso britantam kathayati. Then she started to telling all her stories. Okay, this is the Purvakatha, this is the pre-story. Okay, you have got. Now the main extraction of the Kadambari we are going to explaining here. Okay, now the main extraction of this lesson is starting. Rajaputra, she started to telling her story. Rajaputra, किम अनेनाति निर्घृण हृदयाया ममंद भाग्याया जन्मन वैराग्य वृत्तांतेन श्रवणीयेन श्रुतेन. O king, O prince, why you are so much curious for listening my story? Okay, because I am very unfortunate girl. Okay, mama janmana vairagya vrittantena, the story of my vairagya. Vairagya means to live up all the luxuries. Okay, that story why you want to listen. Okay, if you want to listen, then okay. Tathapi yadi kutuhalam, but okay, if you have curiosity, tat kathayami, then I am saying, Sruyatam, listen. Hanso nama jagat vidito Gandharva bala eva rajyapadam asaditman. There was a Gandharva named Hans. He was unique person in the Gandharva. He, only his childhood only, he got the kingdom. Okay. Apsarasam kule Gauri iti namna kanyaka prasuta. In the dynasty of the Apsara, there was also a girl named Gauri. Okay, she was also a very nice girl. Tancha Gandharvadipati Hanso Pranayini Makarot. With her, Gandharvadipati Hans means the lord of all the Gandharva Hans also married with Gauri. Tayo aham idrishi atmaja samutpanna, means both of them, means Hans and Gauri, by both of them I got born, means they are my parents. Okay, father's name is Hans and mother's name is Gauri. Aham idrishi atmaja samutpanna, I am the daughter of Hans and Gauri. Tatastu anapatyataya sutajanmatiriktena mahotsavena mama janmabhinanditaman. My father had no any offspring, means no any son or daughter. So because of the lack of his offspring, he also celebrated a lot after my birth. Okay, he also celebrated like son's birth. Okay, because in ancient time when the son, anyone was getting son, on that time he was also rejoicing, he was also celebrating very nicely. So he also celebrated very much like son's birth. Okay. अवाप्ते च दशमे हनि कृते यथोचित समाचारो महाश्वेते इति यथार्थम एव नाम कृतवान. After the 10 days, okay, when the Namakarana Sanskar was also about to happen, he, like my virtues, like my qualities were, he also gave the name. Means my name he gave Mahashweta, because I was very white. Shweta means white. Mahashweta means very much white. So I was very white. So he also gave me name Mahashweta. Yatharthameva means accurate, exact name. Means what the name was, the meaning was also like that. So Saham Pitri Bhavane Shaishamam Atitavati. Okay, I also spent my childhood in the house of my parent especially in my father. Okay, in the home of my father, I also spent my childhood. क्रमेण च कृतमेव कुशे वसन्तैव मधुमासेन मधुमास इव नवपल्लवेन नवपल्लव इव कुसुमेन कुसुम इव मधुकरेण मधुकर इव मदेन नवयौवनेन पदम. Again, gradually the adolescence or youthness also entered in my body. How it entered in my body? Like vasanta iva madhumasena, like in the spring, in the month of the madhumas. Madhumas means Phalgun, Chaitra. In that month, when like spring also enters, madhumasa even navapallavena, and spring, the springness also enters in the navapalla. Navapalla means new leaves. Okay, like that. Now pallava iva kusumena, and in flower, like a very new flower also enters. Also youthness also enters in the new leaves and new flowers. And kusuma iva madhukarena, and like in the flower, humming bees or other bhramar also enters in the flower. And madhukara iva madena, and like mad means very much nasha, addiction. Okay, and that type of addiction also enters in the humming bees. The adolescence or youthness also entered in my body. Okay, ekada aham ambaya sah madhumasa vistarita shobham प्रोत्फुल्ल नवनलिन कुमुद कुवलय कल्लारमिदम अच्छोदम सरह अस्नातुम अभ्यागमम. One day ekada aham ambaya sah, once I along with my mother, madhumas vistarita shobham, for looking, for observing, for visiting the spring beauty. Okay, and new trees, new flowers, new plants, etc. For looking, I also for looking also, and for taking the bath also in the Achod Sara, means that pond, that auspicious pond. I went along with my mother. एकस्मिंश्च प्रदेशे झटिति बनानिलेनोपनीतम् अहमिकया मधुकरकुलैरनुपद्यमानम् अनघ्रातपूर्वम् अमानुषलोकोचितं कुसुमगन्धम् अभ्यजिग्रम्. एकस्मिंश्च प्रदेशे, in a special region, in a particular region, I also felt, I also experienced that there was also a breezing, a very nice wind was also coming there. Okay, and not only wind, the fragrance was also coming. And ahamikaya madhukar kulairanubadhyamanam. Madhukar means humming bees, not humming bees, bhramar. Madhukar means bhramar. Very much brahmars were also running there. And where they were running? From where the aromatic flower, aromatic wind was also coming. Anagrata purvam means that type of fragrance I hadn't found anywhere. Amanusalokochitam means that fragrance was not of human world. That was amanusham, means like divine heaven. From the heaven the fragrance was also coming. That was coming. Aroma, that aroma is uncomparable. Kusuma gandham abhyajigram. Kusuma gandham, the aroma of the flower I felt on that time. Okay. Kuto ayam ityuparudha kutuhala chaham muklitalochana tena kusuma gandhena madhukari vakishchamana katichit padani gatva haranena hutashanendani kritamadana shoka viduram vasantam vatapastyantam agalmandala praptyartam eshana shira shashankam dhitabratam ayugmalochanam vashikartu kamam ivasaniyamam tapastadagat kamalanee mridalenev yagyopavidena alankritam ekena sanala bakula phalakaram kamandalum aparena makarketum vinashashokaruditaya rateriva बाष्पजलबिन्दुभिरारचिताम् अस्फटिकाक्षमालिकां करेण कलयन्तम् अलङ्कारम् इव ब्रह्मचर्यं यौवनम् इव धर्मस्य विलासम् इव सरस्वत्यासङ्केतस्थानमिव सर्वश्रुतीनां मधुमासमिव कुसुमधवलतिलकभूतभूषितमुखम् आत्मानुरूपेण सवेशात् अपरेण तापस्कुमारेणानुगतम् अतिमनोहरं स्नानार्थम् आगतं मुनिकुमारम् अपश्यम्. This is something longer stanza, but until we have not full stop, we should not stop also. So he is saying, she is saying that when I went for searching the aromatic flower, I also saw that madhukari vakrishyamana. I was attracted like a madhukari. Madhukari means a humming bee attracts for a flower. I also went like that. Katichit padani gatva. After going some steps. What I saw, Haranayan Hutashanendhani Grita. Haranayan means Shiva, Har means Shiva, Mahadev, Rudra. Rudra is also, he has closed his own eyes, okay, and like he has just burnt the Kamadeva, Cupid, okay, the god of romance. He just burnt, because in the history also we have also listened that Shiva burnt him. Okay, so Madan Shoka Viduram Vasantam Iva Tapasyantam. When he destroyed him, when he burned him, after the burning him, he is also in the dhyana. Okay, like any person was also sitting there. Okay, in the tapasyantam, in the tapasya. Akhila mandala praptyartham ishana shira shashankame dhrita pratam means it was guessing. It was seeming that there was that person was in the dhyana and he wants to achieve all the world. And I was also guessing that it seems that it was seeming that he wants to achieve all the Akhil Mandala, all the world universe is in his own body, and he is like Shiva. Shira Shashankamiva Dhrita Pratam, like Shiva also holds the moon in his own head. He is also Dhrita Pratam, he is situated in Vrat, in pleasure. Yugmalochanam Vashikartu Kamam Kamam means like Shiva also he has hold the Shashank. Shashank means Chandrama, moon in his own head. Like Shiva, he was also sitting there in the dhyana. Yugmalochanam Vashikartu Kamam Kamam Ivasa Niyamam means like Shiva also is holding Yugmalochanam means three eyes are also in the Shiva. He is also like him. Okay, and Vasikartu Kamam Kamamiva. He has also overcome over the Kam. Kam means all the addiction, because Shiva is also overcome over the Kam. Kamdeva is also burnt by Shiva. So Shiva is overcome over the Kamdev. So like he was like him only. Tapastadaga Kamalini Miralene va Yagyopavite na Alankritam. Tapastadaga means like the Kamalini. Kamalini means the feminine gender of the lotus. Lotus are also two types lotus. Okay, Kamala, Kamalini. Kamalini is little bit different, and in the size it also looks little. Okay, compare than lotus, Kamala. So Kamalini Mridale na iva. Mridal means the holding part of the Mridalini. Okay, like very thin. Yagyopavit he was also holding like Mridalini. Okay, Yagyopavite na Alankritam. He was adorned by Yagyopavit. Alankrit. Eke na sanala bakula falakaram kamandalum. He had also a kamandalu. Kamandalu, you know. Kamandalu means where the Rishi and Muni also used to keep the holy water for doing the sankalpa, for doing the achmana, for doing the offering the jala. Okay, so they used to keep Kamandalu. Kamandalu, it looks like a part, and also these have it also looks like a bakul. Bakul is I can't show here. Okay. But Vakul is like also looks like Kamandalu. So, Phalakar Kamandalu. Aparena Makarketu Vinasha Shokaruditaya Rateri Paspajal Vindu Virarachitam Asphatikakshamalikam Karana Kalyantam. He was also doing the chanting mantra jap on the Asphatik Mala. Asphatik means emeralds, like that look like emerald. Okay, emerald or diamond type. Okay, I can't show here, but okay. Yavanam Asphatik Mala. He was also chanting the mantra, and in the Kamandalu the water was very auspicious, but that he is the author wants to say that all the tears, okay, all the tears of Rati, who was Rati? The wife of Kamdev. When the Bhagwan Rudra, Lord Shiva, he burnt him, then the Rati also cried a lot. So like that the whole tears he was holding in his own Kamandalu. Okay. So Alankaramyo Brahmacharyasya. he was also adorned with brahmacharya. Okay, brahmacharya was only his all the ornaments. Okay, yauvanam iva dharmasya, he was, his adolescence, his youthness was only the religion what he was also following. Vilasam iva saraswatya, his all the vilas means luxury, his luxury was only the Veda Shastra Jnana enlightenment. Sanketa sthana iva sarvasrutinam, all the Veda and Shruti means Veda, Richa. Okay, all the Rig, Yajo, Sam, Atharva, etc., all the Veda were in his own mind. So Madhumastamyoda Kusuma Dhavallatilaka Bhuti Bhuchita Mukham, all his face was very bright with Bhuti Bhusita, means Bhashma Tripunda Ityadi, along with adorned by all these things. So his face was very attractive. Atmanu Rupena Savayasa Aparenatapas Kumarena Anugatam. When I saw, he is also same age of mine. So I so attracted with him. So Ati Manoharam, he was very nice, very pretty, etc. etc. Asnanartham Agatam, when I saw him, Muni Kumaram Apashyam, I saw that he had also come for taking the bath. Tena Chakaranawatansi Kritam, Amrita Bindu Nisyandinim, Atrishtaparvam Kusumamanjari Madraksham. Then I saw that whatever the aromatic flower fragrance was also coming in this side, that was not only the flower of whatever he had taken in his own earbuds. Okay, here he had put Atrishta I had never seen the flower like that. Okay, Amrita Bindu Nisyandinim, like the drop of the nectar. Amrit means nectar. You know also Swarga. In the Swarga, Amrit also exists. So it was the drop of Amrit. From that it was also originated. So okay, Tam Tapodhana Yuvanam Ikchamanaham Achintyam. After looking that beautiful Yuva, Tapodhana means Rishi Kumar, I thought, what I thought? Aho, Rupatishe Nishpadana Upakarana Koshasya Akshirnata Vidhatuhu. Oh, how beautiful this young person is. How okay, Rupatishe Nishpadana Upakarana Koshasya Akshirnata means Brahma has created this handsome handsome boy, and perhaps all the things whatever he used to size, not sharpening or giving the beauty for anyone, perhaps he has spent all the things for only to giving beauty to him. Okay, Upakaranasya Akshinata Vidhatu. यत्रिभुवनाद अद्भुत रूप संभारम कुसुमायुध समुत्पाद्य तदाकारातिरिक्त रूप राशि अयम अपरो मुनि माया मनो मकरकेतुरुत्पादितः. Means when he created to the Cupid means Kamdev also, he is so handsome. What no any necessity for creating this handsome boy. Okay, he is also more handsome than him. So Makaraketulutpadita, Makaraketu means Kamdeva. मन्ये च सकल जगत नयनानंदकरम शशिबिंबम विरचयता लक्ष्मी वास भवनानि कमलानि श्रेता प्रजापतिना एतद आनन आकार करण कौशल अभ्यास एव कृतः. I am thinking, मन्ये च means I am thinking, it's my own opinion, that whole world, if I will accumulate all the beauty of whole world, nayananandakaram means it also enjoys, it also gives the enjoyment to our eyes also. Shashi bimbam virachitaya. I was thinking that Mannecha Sakala Jagat Nayananandakaram Shashi Bimbam Virachayataya Lakshmi Vas Bhavanani Kamalani Sriyata Prajapatina Etad Anana Akara Karana Kaushala Bhyas Eva Kritaha. Means only the creator Brahma has created his face, beautiful face, only. Why? Because Shashi Bimbam Virachayataya. Shashi Bimba means Chandrama, the image of the Chandrama, image of the moon. Okay, and Lakshmi Vas Bhavanani Kamalani Srijata. And when he created the moon, when he created the lotus, because Lakshmi Vas is in the lotus. Lakshmi where resides? In the lotus. And when Kamal, when he created the lotus also, Prajapatina Etad Anan Akar Karana Kaushala Bhyas Eva Krita. On that time only he also created the face of this man. Okay, why? Because he is so beautiful. Okay, only it's comparable with the Chandrama, either moon or lotus. So on that time he also created him. ओके प्रजापति एतद् आनान् करणकौशलाभ्यासः अन्यथा किम् इव सदृशवस्तुविरचनायाः कारणं why this was necessary for creating these similar things lotus moon and this face his face was so beautiful okay so sadrishastu virshanaya karana I am saying that no any need for creating these so much beautiful things so it seems that only one that time only he also created means creator brahma created all these things okay so tadrupatishyam drashtum iva kutuhalad alinganalalasebhyo angebhyo nirgat romanch jalam after looking that so beautiful handsome boy I had also a attraction and very much affection with him also so I wished that if I would also embrace him then how it was alalasebhyo angebhyo nirgat romanch jalam I was romanced means romanced means I can't express okay means very much emotion also created in my body asheshatah svedambhasa dhautascharana yugaladiv hridayam avishadragah means with great affection with great love in my body also in my body full body was also bathed with sweat means svedambhasa पसीने से तरबतर हो गई मैं ओके अशेष पूजनीया चेयम जातिरिते कृत्वा तद्वदनाकृष्ट दृष्टिप्रसरम अचलित पक्ष्ममालम अदृष्टभूतलम अस्मै प्रणाममकरवम when I saw him and अशेष पूजनीया actually he was also greetable with everyone because he was the Muni Kumar so I also saluted him okay his jati he was Rishi Kumar so I and Achalita Pakshmamalam and he was also doing the chanting okay Adrishta Bhutalam I had never seen like him Asme Pranamam Akaram so I also saluted him Tada Tadapya Vinavaga Tasyapya Vinavagatam Madanam Pratyut Gachan Iva Romodgamah Pradurbhavat when the addiction when the affection when the so much indulgence also entered in my body for him my all the Rome means this loma pores okay they also started there vepathu grihita bhangavhideva akampata kartalagata gatakshmala and actually vepathu grihita my whole body was also with sweat okay and he was also scared because his breath means the place of brahmacharya celibacy was also about to deteriorate so he was also quivering okay he was also quivering means kampana okay तया तो तस्याति प्रकृत्या विकृत्या द्विगुणीकृत मदनावेशात् क्षणम अहम अवर्णन योग्याम काम अप्यवस्थाम अन्वभत and my addiction was double of him okay so I was also in that emotion also प्राप्त प्रसराचोपसृत्य अस्य सहचरम मुनिबालकम प्रणामपूर्वकम अपृच्छत and when I saw his friend he was also along with him I also saluted him also and asked that okay Bhagavan kim abhidhana what's your name oh God what's your name kasya vayam tapodhanasya yuva and who is that Muni Kumar who is tapodhan who is he kinnama taroriyam anena avatansi krita kusum manjari and how he got this aromatic flower also and from where he has got and what is the name of this flower so to mam ishat vihasya abravit okay he also little bit he smiled and he answered he responded bale means oh girl sriyatam listen asti khalu mahamuni divyalok nimasi shwetaketur nama there is a person named Shwet there was also there is a person Mahamuni he is the Divyalokvasi he is now in the heaven and his name is Shwetaketu tasya cha bhagavata shesha tribhuvana sundaram rupam asit he was also very beautiful tribhuvana shesham means no one was handsome like him in the whole tribhuvana okay so sa kadachit devatachana kamalani uddhartam mandakinim avatatara when he also went to Mandakini for taking bath okay and for taking the not taking bath only he for taking the lotus for plucking the lotus for worship of devata gods tam tada devi lakshmi tadarsha then on that time the goddess Lakshmi saw him आलोकन मात्रेण समासादित सुखायां क्रमेण तस्मिन् एवासने कृते पुंडरीके कुमारः समुदपति. Means only after looking the beauty of that person, goddess Lakshmi was also addicted, and he also gave a birth to a Kumar. Kumar means a boy named Pundarik. ततस्तम उत्संगेनादाय भगवान गृह्यताम तवायम आत्मज इत्युक्त्वा श्वेतकेतवे ददौ. When he got the birth, when he got that boy, okay, he also told that, okay, take this boy, this is your child, okay. Pundarik sambhavataya tasya tadeva Pundarik iti nama chakre. I had given the name to Pundarik. Why? Because he had also got birth from the lotus. So ayam iyam cha surasuri madhyamanat kshira sagarat udgatah parijat namasya padapasya manjari. So this flower, whatever he has got, it's parijat manjari. Parijat, that parijat is a very auspicious plant. What's Dev and Danav also got from the Sagar Manthan, Samudra Manthan. When the Samudra Manthan also happened, on that time 14 very divine gems also emerged. On that, in that only Parijat was also one of them. So that Parijat's flower was he hold, okay, that Muni Kumar had hold. तदेतत् कासेन अवेदितम्. ओके. इत्युक्तवती तस्मिन् सतपोधन युवा किंचित उपदर्शितस्मितो माम अवादित. After telling all that Tapodhana, he also smiled a little bit and said again, "Ai kutuhalini kim anena prashnayasena." Oh curiosity girl, no need to ask very much question. Yadi ruchita surabhi parimala, if you are very interested for taking this very aromatic flower, tada grihyatamiyam, then okay, accept this, take this. Ittiktva samupasritya. After telling this, he also came just towards me. Atmiyat sravanat apaniya madiye sravanapute tamakarot. He also took the flower from his own ear, and he also madiye sravanapute tamakarot. Mam means me only, on mine ear he also put. मम तो तत्करतल स्पर्श लोभेन तत्क्षणम् अपरम इव पारिजातपतु कुसुमावतंस स्थाने पुलकम आसीत्. I was also wishing that if he will touch me, he will touch my own body, okay. Karatal asparsh lobhena, I was greedy for the touch of his own hand. So I also wished and moved there for taking that parijat kusum, means parijat flower, okay. सच मत कपोल स्पर्श सुखेन कर तरलीकृतांगुली जालकात करतलात अक्षमालाम लज्जया स गलिताम अपि नाज्ञासित. Actually he was, when he was touching that place only, my ears also, on that time when he was putting the flower, he was also very hesitated. He was full of shy also. On that time his garland means Spatikakshmala, where he was chanting the mantra, he quivered, all the body was shaken. All the body was quivering on that time. So the Akshamala was also about to fall on the earth. So okay, but Nagyasit, he was not aware that his garland is also falling. Athaham tam asampraptam eva bhutalam akshamalam grihitva salilam tadbhujapasha sandhanita kantha graha sukham imanu bhavanti darshita purvahara lata lilam kantha bharanatam anayam. When I saw that the garland is about to fall on the earth, I hold that garland. Why? Because I had also greed for taking that garland, because that garland had also touched his own throat also. So I was also addicted. I was also wished that I will take that garland. I will think that okay, I had also embraced him. Okay, because he is the Muni Tapasvi. He will not embrace me with physically. So only hypothetically I thought that. So I took that Akshamala and weird. तद्भुजता सुभूतलम अक्षमालां गृहीत्वा सलिलं तद्भुज पाश संधानित कंटक ग्रह सुखम इमानु भवन्ति दश. ओके. उच्चालितायां च मे द्वितीयो मुनिदारकः तम अवादित. When the other friend of his Yuva, friend of that Muni Kumar, he saw that scenario, he told that friend, Tamavadit, he told to his friend only, Asakhe Pundarika, oh friend Pundarika, Naitad Anurupam Bhavatah, it's not adept to you It's not fair for you. Dhairya dhana hi sadhava. You are the sadhu, you are the tapasvi. You should not conduct, you should not do like this. Okay, you must have patience. Kvate tadhairyam. Where is your patience? Kwasav indriye jayaha. Where is your conquering of over the indriya? Indriya means our sense organs. Kvate guru padesha. Where is the preach of your sermon of your guru or your teacher? Katham kartalat galitat apahritam akshamaram apinna lakshasi. You are not seeing that your akshamara is falling on the earth and she is holding and she also took in her own throat. Aho vigata chetanatvam. Oh, you are losing your consciousness. Apahita nameyam. Idam api tavad apahriyamanam anya anarya nivaryatam hridayam. You must remove this girl from your heart. Okay, idam api tavad apahriyatam, and should shame for this. Tadasa kinchit upajat lajjaiva pratyavadit. Then Shai and Shai also emerged in his own heart. Then he told that Sakhe Kapinjala, oh my friend Kapinjal, Kim mam anyatha sambhavayasi. No, you are doubting, worthless, without any reason you are doubting on me. Ityabhidhaya alika kopakantena prayatna birichit bhrik bhishana bhrukuti bhushanena asfuritadharena mukhenduna mama vadat. He was showing his angriness, furiousness over me, and his eyebrow were also curved in the angriness. He showed his angriness and told that Brukti Bhushana Chapale means oh rapid girl. Rapid means little bit rascal, not fully rascal, little bit rascal. Pradeshad asmat imam akshamalam adatva padatpadamavi na gantabyam. Oh rapid girl. Yo Chanchala. Chanchala means who to and fro he moves anywhere. Okay, who has no any very much discipline also. For that we use Chapale. Pradeshad asmat. With this reason you can't go one step also without returning my garland. Okay. Idam akshamalam adatva. Without giving, without returning, you can't go one step also from this region, from this place. Taccha sattva aham atmakanthat unmuchya ekavalim. Then after listening this word, I also unmuchya means I also veered off my that garland from my throat and told that Bhagavan grihetam akshamala. Oh my Lord, take this akshamala. Akshamala means garland. Iti manmukha sakta drishte shunya hridayasyasya prasarane panu nidhaya. I gave that garland in his own hand. Swed salita snatam api punah snatum avataram. And on that time when I was full of shy, I was whole bathed with sweat because addiction and affection also entered in my heart very deep. Utthaya chakathame pratnena niyamana sakhijanena baladambaya sahatameva chintayanti swabhamanam ayashisham. I was full of affection. I was fully fainted down, and along with my mother and other friends were also there. Sakhi means friends, girlfriends. They also took me. Otherwise, I was behosh. So this was the first love of Pundarik and Mahashweta. I think that this lesson concisely I have described only word by word. No, I have interpreted very much. Okay, because this lesson is also very interpreted. Okay, so Kadambari, this is very hard granth. Okay, Gadya Sarvabhauma Bana Bhatta was very great author. He created very dark and depth meaning scripture. Okay, so little bit if you have got this theme of this extraction, then okay. If any doubt on any word, particular word or particular theme you have to know. Okay, then you can also comment in the section. I will wait for that. I will also, as possible, I will clear that out. Okay, goodbye.